Another damn flock. It's a lot of goddamn birds. And that motherfucker's so fucking. Yeah, that's right there. Wow. Oh, he's getting it. Another beautiful evening. Huh. I think that's it, because there's like, what? There's like 4 over there. No, 5. Nope. More of them sons of bitches coming. God damn. There we go. He stopped it. Oh, him and his buddy. Ooh, they was pounding dicks in the car. Oh, what they were doing. Glad that's over. That's some cool shit. I've been meaning to make a video of this damn flock and I kept forgetting. Because like, I'll get it next time they show up, and here they are again. More of these sons of bitches. What the hell? I mean, it's only what? What the hell? Working on September in a few weeks. So yeah, they're migrating north for wintertime. It's a long ass flight. Wow. Pretty cool though. Yeah, that's it. After this little bit. Or not. New. Yeah. There we go. Alright, that quartet and we're done. Oh, it's a queen. Half a dozen. God damn, man, these birds won't even quit. Fuck. I wish. I don't know, I have to look them up sometime. Crazy. That's a lot of birds. Wow. Anyway, you've seen them. I'm getting off here. Until next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers. Oh, fuck. Another damn flock. Jesus Christ. These fucking birds. Wow. Shit. Wow. It's pretty neat though. Alright, now they're all done, I promise. There. Yeah, see over there? Nothing. Alright, until next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers. Oh, motherfucking straggler, screw him.